Good morning, my name is Michael and I wish to show you how to use Arkana online store. First, what we have to do, we have to go to the link shop-arkana.com and we will upload our store. Our store is divided onto two platforms. First platform is B2B, which is for professional clients, or on the top right corner, we can press the button retail client and we can be on the retail platform. If we want to register as a professional client, we just go to My Account, where we have an option to log in or to create an account. The account, if we register, have to be verified by our department. So it will take around half or 1 day that your account will be ready to log in. When I sign in, you can see you have a dashboard where you can see your orders. When you have an address book that you put the billing address and the shipping address, product reviews, account information, but also we have a My Files where we can find printed materials as vademecums, flyers, catalogs. So everything is one place. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. I hope it will help in the future. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.